The heat wave is giving way to a rain event here in our area as Hurricane K is expected to bring significant rain and high winds to San Diego. CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes is tracking the storm in the field and shows us what locals are doing to make sure we're ready. Kirsten?
Yeah, we are live here in Kearny Mesa where this evening commute is looking good right now, but we know that it can change within a matter of hours, especially in time for that drive home. That's going to look a lot different. This intersection has been known to flood, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Light showers started in our area this morning and quickly dried up or moved on, but that rain is slated to be back in our area just in time for your Friday evening commute.
It will all come alongside plenty of rain, showers, thunderstorms, even wind in the forecast from Friday into Saturday.
And that's what CBS 8 meteorologists have been forecasting as Hurricane K makes its way closer to San Diego. By the time K moves its closest to San Diego, it's expected to decay into a post-tropical cyclone. But that would still mean a huge change in our weather pattern from hot and dry to wet and windy.
That's no secret, so we see it coming and prepare accordingly.
Anthony Santa Croce with the city of San Diego says they're already getting ready.
It's where we're clearing out debris, vegetation, things like that, so storm waters will flow easily through the channel. Street sweeping in areas that we know need it, increased drain cleaning and drain clearing in drains that we know need a little extra clearing and a little extra help. We're putting no parking signs in low-lying areas, manning bypass pumps.
Andy says you can help get ready for the rain too.
Sweeping up around your property, getting rid of leaf litter in the gutter, in the curb, so that doesn't fall down the curb line and get into our storm drain system and possibly cause flooding there. Keeping the lid closed on that, inspecting your property for trees and tree branches that might be vulnerable to windy conditions.
Neil Chapinski with CAL FIRE says they're keeping their eyes out throughout the county to help drivers who get stuck, but they need your help too.
With the amount of water that could be coming off or out of the sky, I mean, there could be roads that are flooded that the county doesn't even know about yet. So definitely don't try and cross any water.
All right, so the city and the county have both set up sandbag distribution locations all across our area. If you need sand, sandbags, what have you, go to our website, cbs8.com, and click on this story for a full list. Reporting live in Kearny Mesa for CBS 8, I'm Kirsten Holmes. Back to you.
All right, Kirsten, thank you. Chief Meteorologist Carlene Chavis keeping track of Hurricane K for a while now. Carlene, we're already starting to feel some K-related things coming out. What should we keep an eye on?
No, basically, you're talking about the cloud cover that has already started to move in, Jesse. So now we're making that transition. Today will be that transition day. We had some light showers earlier, light work compared to what we are expecting as we go into tomorrow's forecast. So K is a tropical storm. So the latest update with K showing that weakening, and that's going to continue to happen as it gets closer towards us. It was a hurricane, and that was with the last advisory. Now you're talking about the fact that it made landfall central Baja and will maintain that tropical storm status as it gets closer towards us. So it's moving towards, yet again, the north-northwest, about 14 miles per hour. On K's closest approach towards Southern California and San Diego County, we are talking about it being a tropical storm and also being about 150 miles towards the southwest of us. But we are going to feel the effects with heavy rain and some very strong winds. So all those details coming up in your complete forecast. Jesse?